bar was Andrea's husband, Lucas's father. Apparently, he took Lucas out swimming. Lucas was on a floating wooden platform when Chris
You okay,
drowned
buddy?
2
Just
hours
relax.
before the kid got rescued.
No use of the camera, are you? Yeah, alright. That's okay.
Maybe we have an eyewitness after all.
No wonder that kid was so freaked out. Watching one of your parents dies is something to just get over.
That's Fred on the right side, who's playing with the key for the first time ever that I've seen. And I'm happy that he's a boy. That's Karen, lone survivor of the situation we had. And they're getting along quite well. They're not, definitely won't pair up, I don't think. Apparently Budgies mate for life, apparently, so which is romantic, but yeah. So anyway, so that's these two.
So crayons is more your thing. That's cool.
Very cool.
It's pretty good.
Alright, they don't like me videotaping them, so I'm going to end this video. Adios. Googie out.